Hi there. So today I'm going to talking about a plugin that's amazing. So if you are already familiar with Mac, you know there has a Spotlight built in, and there has lots of a third-party Spotlight like Alfred or the Raycast. So you can navigate to any apps, any settings, or even you can add custom workflow. At the same time, you can have similar plugin on WordPress. This is amazing, right? So on your WordPress website, you can have a similar spotlight. You can do whatever you want. Because you can install plugin, add plugin, active plugin, deactive plugin, even delete plugin, even manage your user. You can globally search settings, even the plugin settings, not only the WordPress default settings. It's also support plugin settings. You can manage the users. You can search for user. You can delete switching user role, whatever you prefer. You can also control your plugins, control your themes, media management, like edit media or upload media files, delete media files. You can have even multiple action on this plugin. So let's explore how the plugin works. So let me go to my website. I have already installed WP Spotlight. So if I click option S, it will auto trigger the Spotlight option. If I press ESC, it will exit, or the pop-up will go away. So this is the default settings of the plugin. So you can press option S to open the Spotlight. You can search for theme. You can install any theme from WordPress repository. So if you would like to install a theme, something like let's try this theme. Okay. It's take a few moments to load all the themes from WordPress repository. They may be using API. That's why it's taking a few moments to load all the information from the repository. So our theme already selected. So I would like to install an active. So if I click there, it will start download and theme is installed. I press twist. That's why it's taking a bit more time. So let's see. Yes, it's installed. So if I would like to switch the theme back to the extra, let's see how we can do. So theme. So here is our active theme. I would like to active extra. Now reload. And extra is activated. So this is how you can switch between your active themes. So if you would like to delete any active themes, you can go back to themes, delete option, and then only inactive themes will be available there. So if I would like to delete the themes, I can just pick the theme. The action will be here. You can see the action on this area. So the theme has been deleted. If you reload the page, you will see the theme is gone. So this way you can also manage the plugin. So let's see how we can manage plugin. So let's go to the plugins. So I have few plugins that already installed. Let's try to install few more plugins from the repository. So I'd like to install the classic editor. I would like to install an active. So the action is processing behind the scene. So if you go back to plugins, you will see classic editor is installed. So let's see how I can deactivate plugin. And whenever you are using the Spotlight plugin, you will have to wait to run any action before fully loaded your dashboard. Until the loading is complete, you cannot run this action. So after it's fully loaded, I can go back to the plugins. I would like to deactivate plugin. So I will select deactive, select classic editor. So it's deactivate. Now I would like to delete the classic editor. So I will have to wait before the load is complete. So I would like to go to again the plugins, go to delete option and search for the classic editor. So if I press delete, it will be deleted. So it's all done. So navigating to your WordPress dashboard manually is a bit complex, right? And it's taking a time. But if you use the spotlight, it will allow you to navigate to one place to another very conveniently, and you can switch within a few seconds. So let's see how we can manage our user. So here is our all users option. So let's see our all users. So you see we are on the all user page. So if you would like to make any action from the spotlight, you will have to go to this option and you will have also a shortcut. So if you press option plus U, you will go to the users. So from the user, you can see all the role-based users here. So if you go to administrator, you can see all the administrator available on the website. Oh, sorry. Let's run the action again. So you would like to go to users. So here is the users. I would like to check all the administrator. This is my account because I am the only administrator of this website. So let's go back. Let's run it again. I would like to see all the subscribers. So there has lots of the subscriber account available there. So I would like to manage this one. So I will redirect to this user page. So from there, I can make any changes for this user. But how you can delete a user? This is the question. So let's go back to the users and see how we can delete users. Then subscriber. There is lots of the users option here. We have around 50 users or 62 maybe for or it's 77 for subscribers. So I was not finding the user delete option, and whenever I check the plugin website or the author website, I found this option is on the roadmap. So the switching user role is upcoming, and delete users from search table or the search option is also upcoming. So we cannot delete at this moment, but it will come shortly. So we see how we can search for user. We can search for themes or plugins. If I would like to see all the submission from Ninja Forms, I can search for Ninja Forms. Then I will find all the plugin option here. So if I would like to check for the submission, I can just click here. So from the submission page, I can see all the submission. So if I have not this plugin, I will have to manually hover over, then I have to click on the submission page. This is back and forth, and I will have to use the mouse very often, but this will allow you to use your WordPress dashboard just using the keyboard. But you will also need the mouse, but you will dependent on keyboard to use this spotlight. So if you would like to search for WooCommerce, you can see there are many options there. So you can manage order, you can manage settings, and from the WooCommerce you will go to you can go to the general settings or the default. So from WooCommerce, you can go to any WooCommerce page like settings or status page. So sometimes if you would like to open a support ticket on the WooCommerce, then you will have to provide the system status. So if you go to the status page, you can see the system status is available there. So you can click to get support things and then copy, and then you will have to provide this information whenever you are going to open a support ticket on WooCommerce forum. So If you would like to go back to the settings, you can just press option S, then the spotlight will be appear again, then search for WooCommerce, then you can go back to the settings. I think in the future they will introduce the inner settings or inner option. Like if I would like to go to the payment settings from the dashboard, I can just search for the settings, and under the settings there should be settings for the payment settings for the shipping or products or emails, or the inner settings. I can have all the option from the plugins. So here I can switch. Now let's see how we can manage media. So if we search for media, we can see all the media option: insert, edit, upload media. So let's see if we can upload media from this page. So here we go to the upload option. Let's open the images. So we have 2 images to upload. Let's see if that is work or not. So we are going to upload here. The action is happening here. So let's see if the images is uploaded or not. So one images is uploaded. I can see here it's loading. And I will wait to load another images so I can confirm the second image is uploaded. And the upload speed depends on your internet speed and your server speed. So it can take a few moments. The same thing happens when you upload images from the WordPress media page. So let's go to media library. And here you will find all the uploaded images. So we try to upload 2 images, but I see 1 image is uploaded there. So let's try to upload another image. So media. Upload media. So let's try another image. So it's uploading. We can see on the behind. So it's almost done. So here is the media file is loading. Oh, the last time it was not working due to this error. So if we check the error, here it is. So if you reload the page, we can be sure if the image uploaded or not. So here I see that one image is uploaded twice. So let's delete one image. So go to the media again, delete media, and I would like to delete this image. So okay, the media is deleted successfully. Let's fill the page and see if it's worked. Yeah, it's worked. And you can also log out from the website using the spotlight. So from here you can click to log out, and it will log out and redirect you to the login page. So let's log in again. So there has lots of the functionality is already available, and some more functionality is on the roadmap. So other functionality will be available very soon. Another great option is available is you can download any media files from your WordPress media library. So if you go to the spotlight and search for the media, you will have the option to upload media and also download media. If you click to download media, all the available image will be appear here one by one. So if I would like to download the third image, I can click here and it's boom, it's downloaded. So here is the image. So you can download, you can even insert images on your post. So let's try if we can do the same thing. let's convert to the block. So it's block. So let's run the spotlight. So media, insert media, and I would like to insert the first media. So yeah, the media has been inserted there. So this is how you can also insert media using the Spotlight plugin. There has another cool feature. You can navigate to all post types from the Spotlight. So if you press Option plus S, so Spotlight will appear. So you can search for the post types, and here you will find all the available post types. So if you would like to go to the products, you can click here, and then you will find all the products. So I would like to go to the child book, and then you can pick the edit with Gutenberg or view on the front end, or even delete this post or the product. So I would like to view, so I can just I don't have to manually go to products and find out these products and then click to view option. I can just do it from the Spotlight. So this is amazing, and I am very happy with this plugin. I hope more option or the feature will be added in the future to make this plugin more rich. If you prefer to purchase this plugin, you can check the link from the description. And if you would like to know more about this plugin, you can go back to the author website and you can ask your question there. You can see the pricing from the pricing page. So here is the pricing, and they are offering lifetime deal right now. So if you would like to purchase this plugin for 50 website, you will have to pay $2.99 for lifetime, and you will get lifetime access plus update and of course the customer support. Thanks for watching the video.